Packing tape has been around for 100 years. Now, for the first time, the user is the focus of attention with ZeroTape. ZeroTape is the first ergonomic packing tape system that relieves the user. Together with a German university, we have scientifically analyzed in great detail the muscle strain in the hand, arm, and shoulder. The study confirms that ZeroTape increases packing performance while minimizing muscle strain compared to conventional dispensers. The specially developed high-quality adhesive tape ensures better performance and fewer roll changes. The lightweight dispenser, manufactured with high-quality materials, ensures excellent handling. The housing protects the packing tape from damage, and the high-quality safety knife can be changed without tools. Experience world innovation. Experience ZeroTape. Work more relaxed.